Many automobile companies have started their operations with all the regulations to be followed. Lockdown has impacted industry very bad. Now many of the manufacturers have started some of the dealerships to sell their cars. Hyundai India being one of the best have also started sales for their respective cars and one of them is new generation Hyundai Verna facelift. Hyundai India has officially introduced the Verna facelift in the Indian market. The 2020 Hyundai Verna facelift is offered in a range of 5 variants and comes with a starting price of rupees 9.30 lakh ex showroom Delhi. The 5 variants on the 2020 Hyundai Verna facelift S, S Plus, SX, SX optional and SX optional turbo. The top spec Hyundai Verna SX optional turbo is priced at rupees 13.99 lakh ex showroom Delhi. Hyundai had previously announced the prices of the Hyundai Verna facelift back in March 2020. However, with the country under lockdown at the time, sales of the new sedan had to be delayed. Now, with the government slowly allowing vehicle manufacturers to restart operations, the Verna facelift is officially on sale in the Indian market. The design of the Verna is now refreshed, featuring a huge grille at the front, sleeker LED headlamps at either end, newly designed alloy wheels all around, and an updated set of LED tail lamps, bumpers, and boot lid as well. The 2020 Verna facelift comes with major updates. The new Verna is also India's first fully connected sedan offering in the Indian market. It comes with a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Hyundai's BlueLink technology. Vehicle dealerships have finally reopened after being shut for over 40 days. Hyundai has also commenced production operation at its manufacturing facilities in India, with the Verna facelift sedan finally reaching dealerships across the country. Triumph Motorcycles UK has unveiled the new Scrambler 1200 Bond Edition motorcycle. The new Triumph Scrambler 1200 Bond Edition has been inspired by the custom stunt bike. The Triumph Scrambler 1200 custom motorcycle will feature in the upcoming James Bond movie. This will be the first time the British motorcycle manufacturer partners with the iconic franchisee. The Bond edition of the Triumph Scrambler 1200 will be limited to just 250 units worldwide and is priced at rupees 17.10 lakhs. The special edition and ultra rare motorcycle is based on the top spec XE variant of the Scrambler 1200. In addition to all the features on the standard model, the Bond edition will further come with a number of customized touches as well. This includes a unique riser clamp with laser edged individual numbering 007, branding all around, blacked out finishes, premium sapphire black paint scheme, oversized tank badge, leather seats with embossed 007 logo, Bond TFT instrument cluster startup screen, blank anodized finish all around, black rear wheel adjuster, stainless steel headlight grille, and aero silence with carbon fiber and caps. Apart from the above mentioned changes, updates, and customization, the Bond edition of the Scrambler 1200 will remain unchanged mechanically. It continues to be powered by 1200cc parallel twin engine producing 89 bhp at 7400 rpm and 110 Nm of torque at 3950 rpm paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The Bond Edition Scrambler 1200 is part of the partnership between the Bond franchisee and the motorcycle brand. The Scrambler 1200 custom stunt bike on which the Bond Edition has been based will be seen on the upcoming James Bond movie No Time to Die, with Daniel Craig reprising his role and the iconic British spy. As we know, industry is switching from BS4 to BS6. Hyundai India has been busy upgrading its product portfolio. The major launch from the house of Hyundai this year was new generation Hyundai Creta. Hyundai is all set for its another major launch, which is also an SUV, new Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai Tucson was unveiled during the Auto Expo 2020 for the first time. The Tucson facelift will be the next model slated to launch in the Indian market, which is expected to happen soon after the nationwide lockdown has been completely lifted. Hyundai India confirmed that the company primary focus is on the launch of Tucson facelift model in the Indian market. Hyundai has also started accepting bookings for the upcoming SUV with a token amount of Rs 25,000. The Tucson facelift will come equipped with BS6 compliant versions of both the petrol and diesel engines from the outgoing car. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine will be rated at 150 HP and 192 Nm of torque, while the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine will produce 182 HP and 400 Nm of torque. Both engines come with torque converter automatic gearbox as standard, though the petrol version will come with the older model's 6-speed unit, while the diesel will get an all-new 8-speed unit. All-wheel drive will be available on the top-spec GLS diesel trim. On the design front, the biggest changes to the facelift model include new cascading grille, reshaped headlights, tail lights, and front and rear bumpers. However, the SUV's overall silhouette has been retained. On the inside, it receives a new dashboard design with a freestanding 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the brand's BlueLink connected car technology. It also features wireless chargers, a panoramic sunroof, and electric front passenger seat adjustment. The 2020 Hyundai Tucson will be offered in 3 variants: GL 2-wheel drive, GLS 2-wheel drive, and GLS 4-wheel drive. The GL and GLS will be available in both petrol and diesel engine options, while the top-of-the-line GLS variant will be offered with only a diesel powertrain. The Hyundai Tucson will rival the Jeep Compass and the Honda CR-V, among others, in the Indian market. We expect the prices for the BS6 model to be slightly higher than the BS4 variants that retailed between 19 lakhs and 27 lakhs. Skoda India was supposed to launch a bunch of cars in the year 2020, as they had showcased during the Auto Expo 2020. Going ahead, Skoda Auto has launched the all-new Karoq SUV in the Indian market. The new Skoda Karoq is all-new SUV offering the Czech brand in the country and is offered with a price tag of Rs 24.99 lakh ex-showroom India. The new Skoda Karoq will be powered by the Volkswagen Group's 1.5-litre TSI petrol engine. It produces 150 bhp and 250 Nm of peak torque and comes mated to a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission unit, sending power to the front wheels. Skoda claims that the Karoq can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 9 seconds and reach a top speed of 202 km per hour. All this while retaining WLTP rated fuel efficiency of just under 14.5 km per litre. The SUV is part of Group's MQB platform, which also underpins the likes of the Volkswagen T-Roc and many other future SUV models from Skoda in the future as well. In terms of design, the Skoda Karoq carries forward the characteristic design lines and styling of the brand. The LED headlamps, C-shaped LED tail lights, LED fog lamps with cornering lights, sunroof, and the signature butterfly grille are characteristic of a Skoda. The Karoq comes loaded with features. This includes a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, virtual cockpit, dual-tone cabin with leather upholstery, wireless charging, soft touch material all around, plenty of cubby spaces and storage areas, cool front seats and electrically adjustable front seats with memory function. The new Skoda Karoq also features a bunch of safety features such as ABS and EBD. The all-new Skoda Karoq is offered in a single trim. The 5-seater model is positioned below the brand's flagship Kodiaq and will be positioned in the mid-size SUV segment as a premium offering. The Skoda Karoq will rival the likes of the Jeep Compass, Volkswagen T-Roc, and Kia Seltos. Skoda India is busy launching new products for the Indian market. They had showcased huge lineup for the Indian market during the Auto Expo 2020. Earlier, we reported that Skoda India introduced the new mid-size SUV for the Indian market, Skoda Karoq. Skoda Auto India has now launched the 2020 Rapid in the Indian market. The new Skoda Rapid now comes with a petrol-only format and features the 1.0-litre TSI unit, borrowed from the Volkswagen Vento. The new 1.0-litre petrol engine replaces the older 1.6-litre MPI unit present on the previous model. The 2020 Skoda Rapid 1.0-litre TSI sedan is offered with a starting price of Rs 7.49 lakh ex-showroom. This is for the base Rider variant. The new sedan is offered in a total of 5 variants: Rider, Ambition, Onyx, Style, and Monte Carlo. The top-spec Skoda Rapid Monte Carlo is priced at Rs 11.79 lakhs ex-showroom. All variants will come powered by the 999cc turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine producing 108 bhp at 5500 rpm and 175 Nm of torque at 1750 rpm. Initially, the 2020 Skoda Rapid will be available with a 6-speed manual as standard. with the automatic transmission unit being introduced at a later stage. Skoda also claims that the new Rapid now offers 23% better fuel efficiency and claims an ARAI certified mileage of 18.97 km per liter. The new Skoda Rapid include automatic climate control, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, scuff plates with rapid inscription, flat bottom steering wheel, LED lights all around, headlamps, DRLs, fog lamps and tail lights, leatherette seat upholstery, cruise control, stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, 4 airbags, ABS EBD, rear view camera and sensors, brake assist and a host of other comfort and safety features. The Skoda Rapid in India rivals the likes of the Volkswagen Vento, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, Hyundai Verna and the Honda City. Mercedes-Benz India has launched the new AMG C63 Coupe in the Indian market. The new Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe is offered with a price tag starting at Rs 1.33 crores ex-showroom India. The new AMG C63 Coupe now features the brand's Panamericana grille at the front. The AMG Coupe also features a new set of LED headlamps with integrated LED DRLs, while the front bumper now features a large air intake. Other design features and updates also include a large front bonnet with a more muscular and aggressive look, 18-inch alloy wheels, LED tail lights and a new exhaust port at the rear. The new Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe is now the range-topping variant in the brand's C-Class model lineup in the country. The new AMG C63 Coupe comes with a number of significant updates and changes. The new Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe now features a completely digital dashboard with screens for both the infotainment system and the instrument cluster, flat bottom steering wheel, race-style bucket seats with red and black leather upholstery, carbon fiber on the central console and a host of other updates and additional equipment as well. The new Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe is now powered by a 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 compliant with the latest BS6 emission norms. The engine produces 469 bhp and 650 Nm of peak torque, mated to a 9-speed G-tronic automatic transmission unit. Mercedes-Benz claims that the new AMG C63 Coupe is capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4 seconds while reaching a top speed of 250 km per hour. The Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe is now the new flagship variant in the brand's C-Class sedan lineup in the country. The new Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe will compete with the likes of the BMW M3 in the Indian market.